After the holidays, we find ourselves with a few gift boxes. So let's recycle them to make themed rooms for our dolls. How about a Hello Kitty theme? Sophie, I like your thinking. For this room, we are using one side of a large gift box, cardboard, scrapbook paper, fabric, and glue. And remember to always have adult supervision when crafting. I start by tracing the sides of the box onto cardboard. Cut them out and trim where needed so they can fit inside the box. I have 2 long sides and 2 short. Using a glue stick, cover one of the long sides for the ceiling. On the other long side, I used a gray wood grain for the floor. I cover the bottom of the box with scrapbook paper. This is going to be my wallpaper for the room. I want a Hello Kitty border across the top, but I don't have the right paper. So on a piece of white paper, I draw one. By first making a stencil, I trace it repeatedly, then draw in the details. Then I cut it into strips so I can glue it across the top. Cover the side cardboard to match, glue the cardboard into the box, use paper to add a border to finish the room. Cut rectangles of cardboard, cover them with paper. We have a long piece of cardboard that we are going to use for a bed. Glue a shorter one at the bottom for a footboard, add a longer one to the top for the headboard, and a thin one on the side for a bed rail. To make a simple bed, I am going to glue the bed in place so it doesn't move. Cut rectangles of fabric for a mattress, comforter, and a pillow. I use my iPad to trace a picture of Hello Kitty onto the fabric, then tape the fabric onto cardboard and paint it in. Allow it to dry, then sew them to finish the bedding. Make a bow pillow from a previous video. Cut a rectangle of faux fur to fold and place at the bottom of the bed. Cut a rectangle of cardboard, cut out the center, cover it with paper, cut a picture out of a magazine, cut a piece of clear plastic. I glue them together, leaving a gap in the clear plastic at the top. Fold a strip of paper, accordion style, glue it to the top, glue a piece of thread with beads to the top to make a window with a shade. Cut strips of cardboard, cover with paper, glue them to the walls for shelves. Cut the pictures off of a Hello Kitty Barbie fashion pack, glue them onto leftover paperboard, add sticker gems around the edge, cut it out, glue it to the shelf and the wall for framed artwork. Add books, and I glued the books and pictures into place to give the shelf some support. Add mini toys. I added a few more pictures on the other side of the window. I use wooden dowels and popsicle sticks to make a clothing rack from a previous video, so we can display all of our Hello Kitty fashion. And let's add our pink fuzzy slippers under the bed, making the perfect room for the doll who loves Hello Kitty. Thank you for joining us. Be sure to show us your Hello Kitty inspired room using hashtag MyFroggyStuffFanPics. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Follow us on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff and The Frog Vlog.
And you're done.
Happy crafting!
We want to give a shout out to Riley Carter. What's up? Sophie, what is taking you so long? Well, I came up here to get dressed and then, I had a match. Wait, you redecorated your room to match your outfit? Well, yeah. A girl's gotta accessorize.
My friend says it's fine, think he's misunderstood.